Alright, y'all, so we are working on Eli's four-wheeler right
guys,
now.
I got a question real quick. Would you rather prefer spider wire or nylon shit?
Put that down in the comments, y'all. Comment that. But this is his new FMF pipe. I mean, Gold Series FMF fatty. Oh my god, dude. But right now we are taking the header off. We got the carburetor off partially right now. Oh, no we don't. Never mind. My bad. We got the exhaust pipe off. We're trying to get the header off to see what's wrong with it. So yeah, y'all get this. Y'all have fun. Cross country. 2 miles in 16 minutes and 50 seconds for my first cross country meet. Y'all dip grizzly wintergreen. Long cut. Eli, show them your hands.
My hands.
These are the hands of working men, y'all. Look at Taylor's. Nice, pretty boy.
Oh.
But you want to know what's messed up? Hand me some of that oil real quick, man.
Better not do anything.
See this, y'all?
No! Matthew, I gotta...
What?
So I'm going to set y'all up where y'all can watch this. I'll see y'all in a minute. Huh?
What are you doing over there?
Setting up the camera, dude. Vlogging, dude. Huh? I can't see it.
Hey, crescent those bolts up over there.
Huh?
That'll be your job. Crescent those bolts up.
The bolt on the bottom?
Wait, I could just move that over there.
Taylor, we're kind of busy. I can't get this. Oh, never mind. Yeah, dude, I can't get this one off right here.
I guess we'll just leave those off then.
No, I get this one right here.
I'll get Jeff to help me tomorrow. I'll just get Jeff to help me tomorrow.
I got this one right here.
I'll get Jeff to help me tomorrow. Just chill out. Leave it alone, though. Remember? This is what I don't like.
I know.
You're gonna piss me off. Please don't. I want to be nice to you because I was close to you.
What? Sky Dalton? Bring your phone here. I'll tell you if I know. Y'all, we moved our project inside because it's gonna start raining. So we're about to go fishing. God damn. Huh? Tell her I said to hit me up. Mm-hmm.
You should make me a hot pocket.
Alright, y'all. So I got the time lapse going on the GoPro.
Where's it go? Oh, it's over there.
Set up over there.
Let's see.
So.
Wait, how big is your memory card?
64 gigabyte.
Oh, good, because a 4 gigabyte only lasts like an hour.
So y'all will get to see what we're doing. I will catch up with y'all later.
Excuse me.
Hopefully we get this fixed. Y'all, so we got the header off. I'll show y'all what that looks like real quick. So that's what the header looks like. It's all dirty, smoked out. And this is what the cylinder looks like.
I can't really see it in there.
Oh, they can.
Kick it hard.
Here, hold this.
Oh crap! Don't do it yet. What about all the dirt in it?
Hold on, watch.
Do it again.
Did it just spit out oil?
No, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Keep doing it over. Keep doing it. There you go. She should be all lubricated now. We'll be able to clean her now. Dang.
Still got a shit ton of dirt down in there though.
A Okay, we're gonna go ask Jeff for that wire brush real quick.
Yep. You know, this is the worst part about cleaning shit is these little teeny tiny small areas. So hard to get down into, dude. I mean, you gotta like, yeah. These little cylinders and rays right here and shit. Gotta shove rags down in there. Use tools to get it down in there and clean it out, and you just gotta make sure everything's cleaned off, and you gotta keep your crap maintained, y'all. If y'all don't keep it steady maintenance on it, it's not gonna run too well, and that's what is wrong with this. He doesn't clean it all the time like he should. He doesn't change the oil in it every time. I mean, that's one of the worst mistakes you can make, is not changing your oil. I mean, he does it pretty regularly, but it needs to be cleaned a lot more often than what he does, because he rides it. We ride it all the time, just about. Dad and he had it straight piped for a while, so it's engine. Yeah, y'all, it's not okay to keep your engines dirty, y'all. Make sure you keep them things cleaned out and all that. I mean, I know I'm only 16 and I'm out here working on these. I love doing this stuff, man. I mean, shout out to my older brother Tanner for teaching me all this, because if he wouldn't have taught me this, I wouldn't be doing this right now. I'd be sitting inside playing Fortnite or Call of Duty. I mean, either way, I normally got music playing when I'm working on engines and stuff, but this means a lot to me. It's the first time my cousin actually asked me for help on his four-wheeler, and he's normally he's like me. He don't ask for help. I mean, we like doing this stuff ourselves, but this is one of those things where we ever work together, so we're working together and getting stuff clean and done. I mean, y'all, we're checking this boy's oil, and
We're taking it out. So
yeah, y'all, look at this. That's straight black, y'all. Like, look. That good oil to y'all? I say no. You know what that tells me? It wasn't fully cleaned out. Engine wasn't fully cleaned. There's oil and dirt in it. It's not good.
If it's shiny and has metallic pieces in it, that means that it was grinding.
And there are shiny metallic pieces in it.
No, there's not.
Not yet.
The fuck up, man.
Not yet.
I don't grind the fuck out of it.
Neither do I.
You'll probably some more bottles.
Some more bottles.
What did you do? What did you do?
Alright, y'all, so we drained all the oil out. Put everything back on. You still got a little bit left. Right there. Gotta put the exhaust back on. Hopefully she'll start now. If not, I don't know what we're gonna do. Something's probably wrong in the crankcase or the bottom half. But I'll catch y'all later. This video is going to be Project X Part 4 or 5, I don't remember.
Don't make fun of my shit.
With extra footage of us working on Eli's four-wheeler today.
You only get this.
Because this is all y'all get to see for now. Let's y'all figure out what it is.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah. Comment. Put your comment down below and guess what this is going to be.
I need you to hold this right here.
Alright, y'all. So I'm going to set y'all up. So y'all can hopefully see everything.
Well, they're kind of slanted. But it'll keep them from moving, though. That's the good thing. Now onto this side. Well, you know what? These are going to be leaned a little bit.
Yeah, just a little. Oh, shit, dude. You put that board on the outside?
Yeah, you can't really. Yeah, there's no way you could do it from the inside either.
Why?
Because this side is different than that side.
I mean, we could.
Bro, how?
Okay, look.
I mean, it's okay if they're tilted, you know?
We can put them right here.
I was thinking about putting it on the inside anyway.
Oh, fuck yeah.
That way we... Fuck, how would we get this stuff in here?
Okay, well look, we're leaving the top open so we can see out.
What are you gonna put up here?
What do you mean?
You gotta get stuff for getting water in here.
It's tilted down that way, so the water's gonna drain out in front of us.
What if the wind's blowing this way and it's coming in?
Well, then we'll put a fucking piece of wood up, or we'll get some plexiglass and polish that shit and put it right there.
Let's see if we can just make this side the big door first.
Yeah.
We'll go over here and see.
Y'all, if you haven't caught on yet, this is gonna be a shed slash storage area slash
Yeah, I can do it from the inside.
pay here to rate or pay here to ride.
Yeah, I can put that board on the inside.
Yeah. Oh, this is also gonna have a no trespassing. So if you ain't pay and you're here, you're gonna get shot. All I gotta say, you're gonna get shot. Your bike and quad is gonna get stolen.
It's gonna be hard as hell to put walls on this thing.
I'm just kidding, y'all. We are gun free zone.
Hey, fucking liberal!
Unless we're shooting them.
Get the fuck out of here.
Unless we're shooting them. But we will not steal y'all's quads and
We're
we won't
rednecks.
shoot y'all.
We
will call the cops on you.
We're right next. We use our guns wisely.
Exactly.
Don't fuck with my shit.
We're not like them liberals. We won't take your fucking guns away from everybody just because there was a massacre 6 months ago. We ain't dumb city kids. We some fucking rednecks.
Don't fuck with that side yet. I'm taking the board off.
Which board you? Oh, this board. You're gonna have to cut it.
No more.
Put it on the inside?
I'm gonna put it on the inside over there. We'll just make this a giant door.
Oh. I got it. Oh shit, I forgot to turn your lights off.
Hey. What the fuck? It broke off.
Did what?
It broke off. There you go.
It did what?
Just go ahead and take it over there. And stick it on the inside.
Hey, hurry the fuck up, dude.
Hey. Happy.
Huh?
You have to push it up against that board over there.
It is.
Like that, perfect. Leave it right there.
Hurry the fuck up. Yo, that just straightened that board out.
I think that bitch broke too. But why are you pushing it? You're not.
I'm not. It straightened the board out. Hold on.
It'll work. Okay, go ahead and push it. Keep pushing. Keep pushing on it. Shit.
Alright.
I just wanted to free home. shit.
Y'all, I will see y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. So, we got 2 sides with posts. And I think we're about to shut it down for the night.
Nope. After
we put this next board up. Because we got to clean up the shop and shit. So, yeah. I'm just going to add today's and tomorrow vlog put together. I got football practice. I'm leaving about 2:25 for practice tomorrow. So, I don't want him working on it when I'm at practice because I actually want to vlog. So, I will see y'all tomorrow. Y'all, so this is the next day. Putting a door right here. So, we're getting the frame built. Saved your life. Inside, we got top half almost done.
Got a freaking air conditioner.
Put an air conditioner in here.
We're
Getting our generator coming soon. Hold on. We gotta go put Carly inside in a minute. KK said outside.
Did you let her out?
Outside. We gotta put her outside.
Did you let her out?
First wall up on this side, y'all. You got the frame finished. iPad over there. Playing music. Y'all, it rained last night. Made another jump in the track.
Okay, put it over there for a second.
Hold on, my phone fucked up. Alright, dude. Hold on. Dude, burn out. And keep going. Y'all, so we went and picked up my little cousin's spring colt, and now we're doing burnouts.
Look, he was on this side of the line. Now it's over here.
I ran through it forgetting there was dirt in it. See, there's Colton and Eli.
Hey!
Toot toot! Do what?
Get in the truck and go plug pallets.
Alright. That's what we got done. Alright. Let's go! Soon as it drops, go. You in gear? You ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah! Alright. Three, two, one. Wheelie, wheelie, wheelie! Mega donut, mega donut!
I can't get it. Let me get a good view.
Alright, y'all. So we got this all done. Door over here. I don't know why the fuck it's being so hard to shut. Time lapse 20:08. Colton got a 20:94. Eli got a 21:19. We got us a sink going. We're out of water though. They're going to get some water. I got an AC out here. Y'all missed the best thing ever. Me and my cousin finally got into a fight. I mean, fist fight. We was whooping some ass, man. Yep. Alright, y'all. Guess what we finally got back after 3 fucking weeks.